How to turn on or turn off charging sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here, so click on sound and vibration. Now here, so click on system sound. So after click on system sound, you will see charging sound is here. So if you want to turn off charging sound, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see charging sound is turn off. So if you want to turn on charging sound, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see charging sound is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off charging sound from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off charging sounds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.